Is that the only one you saw?
Alright, it started, so.
And you this?
You're being recorded. I didn't get that part. And I also didn't look to see what Mary was doing.
She's like, okay.
Explain what you're doing for the camera, Leah.
I am enhancing my meal by way of alcohol.
What would Miss Tracy say?
Don't you be talking about Miss Tracy. That was so good. I think I'll try a different food now. Before, I have to open up so it seeps in. Chicken bits.
Now there's garlic in your one.
Potato. Put your pinky up, Leah. There you go.
See, the potatoes need no enhancement. Thank you very much.
Oh. Look at the chicken piece. Hallelujah.
Lord. The end.